In this tutorial, I've pared down the basics to give you the maximum time for personalization and creative journaling. Let's begin. The entire design is built on diagonal lines, so I did going left, going right, going left again, and I didn't have them come to a point. I had them go to the edge of a frame, and then I made them double thick and add the mountains on top. So we're signifying you're trying to get somewhere. Here's our goal of our mountains with the little ice caps. And then I went ahead and put in some arrows to give you some direction of where you're heading to. And they're traveling, the arrow is parallel to the zigzag line that you've made, like it's along that road. And once your road and arrows are in, you get to have a lot of fun doing patterns of whatever you'd like. So keep in mind value as you go through of having a variety. And so I did the flowers spread far apart, and then I just do these very simple shrubs, again spread far apart. And then I'm going to add our little flag at the top of the mountain. There's our goal, that's what we're headed to. And now for adding some value with patterns, or you could do it with color. Again, I really tried to pare this down to be inspirational and then have you do your own thing and add on a journal entry. This last pattern I'm doing at the bottom, I'm starting in pencil to give the wavy line, and these are like on purpose, like not parallel. It is a little harder to do that than you think, of to have them not be the same, to go wide when the other one is going narrow. And then I'm dividing them sort of like bricks. They're going to be rocks, but as I divide them, I'm making sure they're not under the section above. And then I'm going to go ahead and fill in the rock so it's going to the edge of the shapes but not to the corners, and then fill in all of that negative space black. And again, I talked about value. I added some value to the mountains with some different patterns as well. So there's how I turned a zigzag line into a road. I hope you try it and add your own patterns. See you in the next video.